Morning! Ate Naya!
Come here. Janaya. Your coat now is wet. Hey, come. Oh, wait for daddy. First. They didn't get home.
Ate! I thought you're gonna sing.
Because those sleep, you get wet.
Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is January... What's the day? January... It's cold, it's windy, anak. It's January 19. It's Monday. Yeah. May appointment si Mamang sa Specsavers para sa mata. Do you want to make an angel? Oh, late. Next time. I know, next time.
Let's go.
Go to daddy now. Go to daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, we're going.
12:30 na ng tanghali. Appointment ni Mama is 1 p.m. Please lagi biya, sabi ni Daddy. 15 to 18 minutes. So let's go. Let's go sa go. Are you singing? You love singing? You want to wipe it? Use this one. Wipe your nose. It's cold, eh? Province din siya na din.
Hindi Province is Ontario.
Sa Pakyata.
City yan.
City.
Mo pa rin banda yung Kaiwari.
Specsavers. Hanapin pa natin.
Specsaver. Kita pa. Bila.
Malapit tayo.
Sa kabila. Saan tayo nagpa-park before? Haba-haba din itong mall na to. One of the biggest din.
Yung plus the lens.
Yeah. Gising si Jayden. Dito na kami sa loob. Right there, ma. Right side.
Yan, green.
Yeah. Grab. There's Specsavers. Anong to before? Bumaba na si Dolorama? Papunta tayo ng Dolorama. Specsavers. Ito yung appointment ni Mama. Yan, dyan. Hindi, ma. Mana? Confirm, nga. Yan, yung babae. Specsavers.
Ang something la frame niya na. Na?
Asan ba yung frameless? Ayan naman.
Aloy ko kumang frameless ang tininay ko na.
Yeah, like that. 349 pala siya eh.
Ha?
Depende sa eyeglasses na pipiliin.
Yeah.
Tapos dadagdag na lang kung progressive gusto mo.
Yeah.
Ha? Nano? Okay lang ako. Na? Ganda daw nito. Yan.
Ang buo ng ano? Nabalutan. Ano namang kamal yun?
249. Mas mababa ng 100. So, 249. Appointment? Yeah. Yes. Nama, your health card, ma. Ate! Ate. Nako, no. We're not supposed to touch it. We're not supposed to touch it, my love. We're just looking, okay? Apa?
Do you want glasses na yung pag-look? Something like this. You want pink?
Are you gonna buy her?
Or this one, what? It's called?
Are you gonna buy one then?
No, for her, you think it's...
Uh,
I will buy her.
over here? Here?
Like it? You want to go on? When you watch my time, so your eyes will not go away. No? So your eyes will start coming down. Oh, see this one. This is beautiful. Look. It's princess.
Ang ganda, pambata.
No.
Bakit?
Limited.
No, Ottawa. K1G0Y2. G, as in goat. Hi. Ah. Tang. Kit. Yes. Jaden Lemna. Nainitan ka? Eh di, patanggalin mo.
Talaga kid.
Jaden, my love. Uy. Jaden, my love. Wow. Ah.
Siyempre, kung ano ginawa, pick up lang mo eh. Pick up. Pick up.
Yeah. Yeah, tala mo na.
Okay na?
Okay ka lang dyan?
Okay ka lang, no? Go with daddy. Come,
Where are you going?
give it.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. So, wali kang, sit there. Kaya na-scroll na para kang maalit.
Dapat dinalaw pala yung ano. Dito muna tayo. Sino yung manager dito? Oh, okay. Hi. We're here.
Hindi pa pala kini.
Oo nga. Hindi sabihin natin sa kanya. Wine opener. Meron kayo niyan? Lid dome.
Pagkagin natin dito sa pantong.
Okay. Pero dito muna tayo sa baking. Yung hinahanap ko. Ah, mayroon din sila. Pero ano lang, chocolate. You say what can make me feel this way, my girl. Wala na. Ubus na dito. Wala na, ubos na. Bumaba din yung ano. De, de.
Ah, hindi pa.
Daddy, I got.
Aha.
Daddy, I have. That one is watching.
Oh, Play-Doh! Wow!
Oh, wait,
It's what's that there? Tinatanong niya.
It's styrofoam, movie.
Naya, look at this. It's Barbie. Like that. It's Barbie. Wala man dito. Ay, di oh. May sailboat. Aba, bagong ano bagong style ne. That's squishy. Tapos yan mo na yung buri after.
it can be white, mommy.
Orleans tip. Naya, anak, stop. Binitawan din yan eh. Hindi talaga siya nagpapabili, no?
Ay, mamaya sabi. Where are you, ate?
Ate.
That's you guys.
Oh, guys. Am I guys? No, I'm mommy. Guys daw. Are you sleepy, Tong? Sleepy ka, Tong. Sige. Parang hindi siya naka-straight eh. Nakaganan siya. Ayusin mo siya. Straight mo siya. Like that one? Na? Let's go, anak. Anong tinignan mo? May bago sila? Tapos na kami sa Dolorama. We're going. Tatapan mo lang. Punta sila ni Daddy sa GameStop. Tingnan ko nga. Sale daw AUB. Over here, sit beside Daddy. Ganda May lounge sila. Tawag dito, lounge. Ariku? Waiting area. Labas ka. Labas ka.
Tabal mo.
Hanapin mo.
Galing ka mo. Wala na yung direction ng mama.
Beside Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Then Jaden, Daddy. Take a picture. Look at here, anak. Jaden. Jaden! 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 Yeah, like that. Smile. Bakit? Ha? Hala? Ano ka na? you, you want to ride that one?
Mama, you have coin? You have coin? Come na.
Ma! May sale na t-shirt doon. Tingnan mo.
Watch here, Mom. Watch here. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
You don't have coin, Mama?
I don't have.
Oh, let's go na. Tara na, Ma. Inintay lang namin si Mama. Imbes na yung kapatid niya nasa stroller. Siya ang nagsistroller. Tapos nakabuhat kapatid niya. Hey, look at that! Daya, you're static. Look at your hair. Daddy, look at her hair. Sinubo mo lahat to? Sinubo na yung ande.
Daddy, put on the widget, aren't you? Mommy,
What's wrong?
you got to see me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go home. Ano, na home ka. Tapos na tayo ng laptops. Doon magpapagawa ng salamin si Mama. Dito na kami sa mall. Kung saan nag-work si Daddy. Let's go. Look si Jaden. Wawa. Bye-bye. My goodness, kaligal. Oh, wave. Wave so it will open. No, wave. In front of it. Oh, see? Like that. Pumunta si Darren sa trading. Ha? Pumunta dun sa sinabi kong trading. Let's go. Saan kami galing last time? Specsavers. Dito magpapagawa si Mamang. Dun sa saan kami pumunta, dun lang siya meron ophthalmologist. Okay, press. Good job. Good assistance, ate. Okay, we're going there. Specsavers.
Okay, so we have everything we need here. Now
Mhm.
we just have to choose the frame.
Yes. So you choose a frame, ma. What can you recommend? The cheaper one, but good.
Okay, so if you're doing both those progressives, like where it's at the bottom,
Progressive.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Breathing bottom. So, how the promotion
Do you want milk?
is 99, but it's
No. You want cracker?
gone together. Like, do you want to do something similar to what you have, or do you want to do something different?
Nano left.
You want to make
What do you
sure
want?
you're in your nose.
Check in your eyes if it's like
Down, Mama. Down.
down daw, ma, down. Check daw, down.
It's down.
Where's
No
down?
more.
No more. No more out. So just look down.
Oh, fine.
Nano ko yung matanding lang.
No, Mom. That's it. It's down, Mama. It's down.
It's down? No, that's not the one.
And down. This is down. Where's the glasses? This is down, Mama. Down.
But do you prefer ba, ma?
Ang piliin ko ng two klase.
Like that?
Ali, itang anting. Ang anting.
Okay.
Mayan siya.
Yeah. Not bad.
Tanong sa anting.
Tingnan mo yung red. Meron din dito, oh.
Anting yan naman yung sa'yo.
Ano maganda, de? Kumpara sa'yo. Nangawi na si daddy mo. Akin na, bigay mo sa akin. Ayun. But different color.
Ali na parehas.
They are.
Medyo with square yan.
Ah, okay.
Nano, okay yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It will reflect the what you're wearing.
Tapos yun yun eh. I think burrito na yun eh. Nano atin.
49. Ganyan ba yung parehong gusto mo o ganito lang? Simple.
Ali, i-favorite ang yun.
Ah, okay. Ah, gusto mo ganyan.
Burrito itang medyo maragol bagyan yung mata na.
Ah, okay. Eh di yan.
Mayan lamo na.
Mm.
Pero kasi, burrito sana taantinin mo rin, no? Yung kaya na. Taantinin.
Ah, sa gilid niya.
Yung maglalaming tini ko. Yan.
Ah, true. Nag ano kasi siya eh.
Yan. Ay, manako. Yung apo ko.
140 na eh. No! Naman! Only one!
We're gonna switch the 25 for the
50, yeah. 50 lang, ma. Yeah. Still, 50 is 50. So, what do you want? Ikaw, Day, gusto mo?
Yan eh. No? No? It's big?
Is big. Sana lumit sa ganyan.
Yeah.
Oo. Ganda. Pero sana lumit sa ganyan.
Ano yan kasi yun eh.
Baka yung nasa taas. Pinakataas.
What? What do you want?
Yung pinakataas. De, abot mo nga. Hindi yan, makabila. Hindi. No. Yeah.
Pangit na yung kulay niya.
Magkano ang harap?
500.
500. Premium ka na tayo?
Ali, gana na ako.
Ano? Hindi na yung 149. 2 pairs.
Wow, 2 pairs. Ano ang saan mo?
Oh. 149 at 2 pairs.
Mhm.
Plus, what minus 500?
Yung ano niya?
Transition na ano pa tayo.
Bigan siya ita.
Oo.
Pero yung sabihan yung 149 premium kanya niya.
Wow.
Ali, tang 149 tang regular.
Mhm.
Asalamin. Anti mo kay kayo sana, reading, blah blah blah.
Yan, ma.
Na?
Oh.
Yan, yung dahil ka ng progressive, mas may kami lagi ng 149.
Wow. Yeah, meron siyang 500 kasi progressive ang pong transition na pa.
Gusto mo pure black ba?
Black ba yun?
Black sa harap, tapos sa gilid niya parang ano, cheetah. Punta na kami ng Dollarama. Mamimili na kami ng tsokolate. In front of it. Gising na si Jayden. Papunta na kami sa tindahan ni Daddy. Gising na si Jayden, di ba? Pwede mo na siyang iupo.
Wow, this was a big sun.
Alis ma. 20,000 lang salamin mo. Dalawa na.
That's why big.
Okay na yun. Ne? Saan? Yung mga malilit siguro before. Wala na ganun. Yeah. Naya, you want this one? There's pink. Yeah, pink. Look at this. You want to try this one? Come. You want to try? Ay, nako. Biasa mag-shopping anak ko.
Kaya magastos.
Naliyapin.
Magastos. Hindi lang yung aliwanganak.
True. Siya, kukunin lang tapos babalik.
Yeah. Pamyanungan niya mo. Oh, rabbit. The skin one, this one, the soft one, that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, like that. Oh, yeah. You can eat like that.
Not for one?
Not
Oh, sorry. I should do this.
Statue. Yan. Masarap din yan, no? Bago to ano de, pancake and waffle. Gamitin ko sa...
Wait lang, Nakto. Wait lang.
Nak, wag mo iharang.
Don't push it there.
Dami pa more. Chocolate pa more.
ano yung tongue stick ko?
Yeah. $5?
$5 in neto?
Yeah. Wala nang mura ma. Ate! Is that a big egg?
What's inside of it?
Tang-tang, nakatulog na siya kaya lang na-storbo. Bilhin na namin yung mga tsokolate. Tsokolate pa more.
Oh, sneakers.
Magtayo na sila ng tsokolate. Diabetes pa more.
Alam na yung sneakers na.
Are you enjoying? You want to, Jayden? You want to sit too, Jayden? Is there a room?
This is room for Maya.
This here. Alas 12:30 na ng Tuesday ng morning, madaling araw, mga 30 minutes pa lang, 30 or maybe 1 hour na 45 minutes na tulog si Jayden. Papainit ako ng tubig. So nakauwi kami kanina mga bandang 5 p.m. So, Hindi na natulog si Jaden. Pero nakatulog siya mga bandang 7. Hawak-hawak siya ni Daddy. Yun ang aming araw today. Pagod. Tapos kawawa yung mga bata kasi gutom. Lalo na si Jaden. Pero nakasurvive naman. Pag uwi namin, diretso ko siyang pinadede. So, yun ang aming araw today. Nakapagpagawa si Mama ng salamin, which is makukuha niya within 7 to 10 days. Tapos nakabili na kami ng chocolate na dadalhin namin. Close ko na yung vlog. Kain ako nito. Cup noodles. Gusto kong kumain ng mainit. Close ko na yung vlog. Salamat po sa panonood. Please like, subscribe, and share para mas marami pa pong makapanood. See you in our next vlog. Ay, oo nga pala. Pakita pala. Nag-bake ako ng Japanese cheesecake. Nag-bake na ako ng isang araw nito eh. Pero malaki siyang bilog. Mas masarap yun kaysa dito. Feeling ko dry to. Ibang recipe kasi to. Tinry ko lang naman. Now I know. No goods. Ano yun? Aeroplano. Pero okay naman. So, ayun. Bye-bye po. Bye.